What up, guys? Quick little unboxing video of my Wiseco connecting rods. These are the Boostline rods. They're the 142 millimeter with the upgraded 625 bolts. This paper right here is the inspection report. Your machine shop's going to need this, or you're going to need it. So basically, it has crucial information. Don't lose this piece of paper. Other than that, at first glance, the box is nice design. None of that shit matters. Here it goes, guys. So this is the fastener assembly lubricant. Basically, you're going to need that when you torque your bolts, the APR studs that come with it. Packaged very nice. It comes in this little bag so they don't move around during shipping. I only thought there was 4 of them when I first opened it up, and I'm like, where's the rest? But basically, there's like a double under each other. And the machining is nice. The product is nice. It's very firm. You could tell a lot about the product when you actually hold it. You're like, wow, like now I see why, you pay so much money for these things, because they are very different from the OEM rods. The machining inside is immaculate. You can barely see the seams where the top connects to the bottom with the upgraded bolts. And basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, just post below, and I'd love to answer them for you guys.